देहि धनं देहि सर्वान् कामश्च देहि मे ईश पुष्पांजलि ह्रीं ओम दुर्गाय नमः। ओम हरो पापं हरो केशं हरो शोकं हरा सुखं हरो रोगं हरो क्षोभं हरो मारिं हरो प्रिय ईश पुष्पांजलि ह्रीं ओम दुर्गाय नमः। ओम जयंती मंगलकाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमाधात्री स्वाहा स्वदा नमस्तुते ईश सचंदन गंध पुष्पबिल्ल पत्रांजलि ओम हे दुर्गाय नमः। আচ্ছা আমার সাথে সাথে আমার অনেকে আপনারা মা দুর্গার প্রণাম মন্ত্রটা জানেন আমার সাথে সাথে ভাই ফুলটা দিয়ে দেবো ঠিক আছে নরাস যারা এখন পুজো দেবেন আমার এদিকটা চলে আসুন যারা পুজোর জিনিস ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে আচ্ছা আর একটা কথা বারবার বলেছি রিপিট করছি কিছু মনে করবেন না আমাদের কিন্তু এরপরে আবার 7টার সময় একটা পুজো আছে যেটা ষষ্ঠীর পুজো যেটা বলি আমরা ষষ্ঠী আসল পুজো তা সেটাও মা দুর্গারই পুজো বুঝতেই পারছেন তা সেটা করে সেটাও পুষ্পাঞ্জলি আরতি করে আমরা পুজো শেষ করবো কিন্তু কালকে প্লিজ আসবেন অষ্টমীর দিনে আসবেন নবমীর দিনে আসবেন কালকে আমরা কিন্তু সকাল 11টায় পুজো শুরু করে দেব এবং আপনার আপনার
Hello, welcome today to the London Charadut shop, which is... Okay. Hello, welcome today to the London Charadut shop. Today is the first day of the festival that celebrates the Mother Goddess, Mother Durga. Today is the first day of the festival that celebrates the power of Mother Durga, the goddess of power. We are gathered here today to welcome her into the world. So let's now find out what the people who are gathered here today would like to say about today's program. So, cut that. So, which part would you like me to say again? So, let's now ask the people who are gathered here today about their views and opinions about... So, let's find out from the people gathered here today what they think about today's event. Good evening. We are gathered here today to celebrate the first day of welcoming Mother... Cut that. Okay, fine. Good evening. Welcome today to the London Charadut shop, which is celebrating welcoming Mother Durga into our hearts. Pardon? We would now like to go around and talk to the people gathered here and find out their views and opinions about today's event. So, hi. So, I would like to ask you where what you're doing today. Cut that. Let me think.
Hi. Ask me to introduce myself and ask what you're doing today.
Hi, I would like to now find out what your name is. Hi, would you like to tell us a little message for today?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Chandra. I've come here for celebrating Durga Puja. I've been coming here since last 2 years and I absolutely love it, and the place is really beautiful with Devi Durga. If you can see, there is the idol there. Hi, I'm Chandra. I've come here to celebrate Durga Puja. I've been coming here since last 2 years, and I absolutely love it. And you can see Devi Durga's idol is there. We come here and worship for the power of Devi Durga, and we have lunch and dinner downstairs. So it's absolutely amazing, and I love it. Thank you.
Can I see what actually said? Because can we edit the first bit? It's just a message for the camera. That's all.
This is
So-
our annual festival from London Sharad Utsav. This is our Durga Puja which we do annually. We say Sharad Shubhechha to everyone, one and everyone. Everybody comes here to enjoy. So our message to everyone is have fun, enjoy the next 4 days with us.
আমাদের দিস টাইম ইজ আর সেকেন্ড টাইম ইন ইলিং থিং আর আমাদের এই পুজোটা স্পেশালি খুব ভালো লাগে কেন অনেক বেশি ঘরোয়া অ্যাটমসফিয়ার আর অবশ্য উইকেন্ড হলে যা হয় আর কি উইকডেসে তো আসা যায় না এখানে দুপুর থেকে শুরু হয়ে গেছে পুজোটা এটাই আমাদের সবচেয়ে ভালো লাগে থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ
I'm from Kolkata and this is my first time and it's just awesome. I have my family here, I have my friends here, so it's just too good and I'm enjoying a lot.
Did you want to say a word?
Durga Puja is a family event, and to have your family around in a place like London and having such a homely ambience is amazing. I mean, I'm so glad to be here. This is my first time the puja in London, and it's absolutely fabulous. Thank you.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ranjana. I live in London. I've been here for the last 8 years and I still miss Kolkata, but for a change, for these 4 days, we get to relieve the spirit of Kolkata in London. As you can see in this Ealing town hall, we are having a grand puja. It's a Durga Puja. It's the biggest festival of Bengali. They just, I mean, I've come here for the first time. I don't really come here. I mean, I never came here. My husband was kind enough to bring me here. So I'm just loving it. They are just celebrating the puja and then they are having the cultural events on another floor, and now at the moment they'll be having some Shondha Arati. I mean, and the puja, the priest, everything is so grand. I mean, I'm not missing my Kolkata. I'm not ashamed. I'm not even a bit ashamed to say that I'm not missing my Kolkata at the moment. But yeah, I mean, I'm just getting to relieve the spirit of Kolkata in the Ealing Town Hall. And it's so nice to see all the Bengalis, all the lovely ladies and the gentlemen in all traditional outfits, and it's a great thing for us. It's the biggest festival for Bengalis. Yes, mama, I'm coming. Yes, so I'm really happy and looking forward to having a great Durga Puja and wish you all the viewers a very happy Durga Puja. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's get a view from the young next generation who are going to carry on this traditional festival.
Yeah, we come here every year and it's really fun because of the cultural program, and I feel like I'm still part of the tradition even though I'm living in London away from everything.
It's fantastic. I mean, you can meet so many different people here and they're all sharing the same culture as you, so it's really good. You can really get involved and it's fantastic.
And now a little word from the organisers.
Namaskar. Good evening. My name is Kaushik Badro. I'm one of the organizers for London Sharad Utsav here. As you can see, it's a Saturday evening, massive crowd turning up here. And yeah, it's one of the best pujas for people out here in London. People come here and enjoy the puja more. We have a exclusive Adda zone for people here. Adda is, in a sense, is a Bengali gathering where people come and gather together and talk together, speak together. So it's basically a puja which we do for the people, and they come and enjoy here. And that's our main motive, to give people a platform where they can enjoy, come and perform as well what we are doing through our cultural programs. That's it. Thank you.
হ্যালো, আমার নাম গৌতম ঘোষ। আমি ইলিংয়েই থাকি। আমি এই পুজোর সাথে গত 2 বছর ধরে জড়িত। ওকে ওকে এখানে ওকে ওকে স্টার্ট। আমার নাম গৌতম ঘোষ, আমি ইলিংয়েই থাকি। আমি এই পুজোর সাথে গত 2 বছর ধরে জড়িত। এর কর্মকর্তারা মেইনলি সব ইয়াং আইটির লোক যারা কলকাতা থেকে এসেছে। আমি এদের মধ্যে একটু বয়োজ্যেষ্ঠ, বাট আমি এদের কোম্পানি এবং এদের অর্গানাইজেশন খুব লাইক করি। আর এটা এখন লন্ডনের মধ্যে একটা নামকরা পুজো এবং বহু লোক এখানে আসে। আমরা সবাইকে অনুরোধ করছি এখানে আসতে, আড্ডা দিতে এবং পুজো এনজয় করতে। জয় দুর্গা। ওকে। Hi, my name is Gautam Ghosh. I live in Ealing. I have been associated with this London Sharad Utsav for last 2 years. Among the organizers, I am the one who is senior most. I quite enjoy their company and the organization. In this puja over the years is getting stronger and bigger, and it is perhaps the best puja in London. So here is the opportunity to see the puja, give adda and enjoy the entertainment provided by the committee. So I wish you all a very happy Durga Puja and please do come and join us. Thank you.
Okay, what next? There?
You can ask a few people about what they feel about this puja.
Okay, next one. So, where you want to start from?
I don't know. We can ask these. Can you share a few words about what you feel about this puja, how you feel about it? It's all staged, so should we get some? Should we get a group of boys, guys? Would you like to share a few words about what you feel about this puja?
Bunch of good-looking guys.
Yeah. Get a big group together.
I don't know, what do you want to know? No? Everyone needs to contribute.
Now let's find out from a group of boys what they think about this puja.
Well, this Durga Puja means a lot for me. Because being a Bengali, this is one time in a year, all Bengalis like get together, and this is like Christmas to us. And so actually in my family back in Calcutta, we celebrate Durga Puja. So since I cannot make it there, I'm really missing it here. So now I'm kind of making it up with here, and it's like really homely, and everyone is together. It's really good because it's the same place. You meet up with friends, food. So it's really, really good.
Sounds like a good time to me.
Absolutely, yeah, fine. I'm enjoying myself. I'm looking forward to the next 3-4 days though.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And will you be coming back here?
Yes, of course. I mean, so it's good that it starts off with a weekend. So that so today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, and then on Monday and Tuesday, I don't know. I'm not sure because I'm working at the same time, but definitely today and tomorrow, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And food is really good here.
Oh right, okay. That always attracts people, right?
Yeah. I mean, I would definitely recommend all Bengalis to come and taste the food here.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, you.
And a word from you?
Yep. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I am from Calcutta as well, but a non-Bengali. But puja has always been special because being there and being part of this culture has always been very interesting, very exciting, and I do miss that a lot. So whenever I'm here, I always come over. Even last year I was here, so I attended, and even this year I'm here. So
he's actually a classic example because I mean, though he's not a Bengali, but still.
Thanks, guys.
So I'm actually from Pondicherry, down south. We never celebrated Durga Puja in the down south. So I've been celebrating for the last 2 years, and I really like it because this is a place where I can stick to the tradition and culture and meet some same set of people and talk to them and share things. And I'm really happy to come, and especially as my friend said, the food is good. So I'll probably come again.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Good to know.
Cheers. Thank you.
Moment. Right. Just a few words from you guys as well.
Wonderful being here, naturally. Feel a part of the Bengali community. Dragged my fiance. So he's been used to the Delhi pujas, but this is the first time for in London for him. And is it still the same, like it used to be in Delhi?
Much the same as Delhi, yeah, no different.
So, loving it. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. And just a few words from this gentleman over here.
Hi, so what will I say about, is it the Durga Puja or the...
Tell us how you feel at the moment about this puja.
It's really awesome because we are outside our city or outside our country. It really feels good to be here, to see lots of beautiful Bengali girls, including my fiance here. So, which is really awesome. I look forward to this day every year, to be honest, since I came here. So, it's really awesome.
And there you go, that's the drums in the background.
Thank you. Let's look at the programs that are going on here.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Can you tell me what's your name? Grigori. No. Let's not start with that. Let's start with what this event is, because I think that is far more important. So, okay. Welcome to London Sharadutsav. My name is Grigori, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what this festival is all about. It is about celebrating the goddess of power, Ma Durga. Today, in the Ealing Town Hall, we are welcoming Ma Durga into our hearts. This is celebrated all over West Bengal and all over the world, and celebrates the victory over good. This festival is celebrated all over, which I kind of want to do.
Good.
But we'll see.
আচ্ছা তোমার মেয়ে এইবারে বুঝতে পারছি and obviously this is your wife. Yeah. You are good at it. ঠিক আছে তুই নিজে যা ছবি
এদিকে একটু কাইন্ডলি যদি জুতোটা এই পাশে খোলেন প্লিজ।
Hello. Give some donation? Okay, all right. So, Vinayak, তুমি কলকাতার কোথায় থাকো? গড়িয়াহাট।
Good evening from the London Sharadutsav at the Town Hall in Ealing. Here we're welcoming Ma Durga, the goddess of power, into our hearts. Good evening from the London Sharadutsav at the Town Hall in Ealing. Here we're welcoming Mother Durga, Ma Durga, the goddess of power, into our hearts. Here we're celebrating, Here we're welcoming Ma Durga, the goddess of power, into our hearts. She represents the battle, the eternal battle between good and evil and the triumph of the good. She represents the eternal battle of good and evil and the triumph of the good. Now, let's walk around and ask the people here today present this evening what they think of the celebrations.
Once again, ready?
Give me 1 second to rephrase that. Now, let's walk around here and ask the people. Now, let's walk around and find out what the people think of the celebrations here this evening. Can I watch that bit?
भाई साहब का कितना सिम
शरणागतो दीनार्तो परित्राणो परायणे सर्वसाक्षी हरे देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते हंसयुक्त विमानस्ते ब्रह्माणी रूपधारिणी कौशम्भोखरिके देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते त्रिशूलचन्द्रायुधरे महाविश्ववाहिनी माहेश्वरी स्वरूपेणु नारायणी नमस्तुते मयूरकुट्टवित्ते महाशक्तिधरे नहे कौमारी रूप संस्थाने नारायणी नमस्तुते शंख चक्र गदा संग्र गृहतो परमायुधे प्रसीद मे वैष्णवी रूपे नारायणी नमस्तुते वृत्तिग्रहो महाचक्रे नक्षदित्र वसुंधरे वहार रूपिणी शिवे नारायणी नमस्तुते नरसिंह रूपेण ग्रेण हंत दत्तानो कृतमे त्रैलोक्य त्राण सहिते नारायणी नमस्तुते किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्जले वृत्ति प्राणे हरचंद्री नारायणी नमस्तुते शिवदूती स्वरूपेणु हत्तदैत्य महाबले महारूपे महारावे नारायणी नमस्तुते भ्रष्टाकरला बदने शिरमाला विभूषणे चामुंडे मुंडमंथने नारायणी नमस्तुते लक्ष्मी लज्जे महाविद्ये श्रद्धे पुष्टि श्रद्धे ध्रुवे महारात्रि महामाये नारायणी नमस्तुते मेदे सरस्वती वरे भूवि तब्बवी तामसी नियते त्वं प्रसीदसे नारायणी नमस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वस्ये सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयभ्यस्त्राहीनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमस्तुते एतत्ते वदनं रघुमानं लोचनोत्त्राय भूषितं पातु न सर्वभूतभय कत्तायनी नमस्तुते ज्वालाकरला मृत्यु ग्रमेशासुरासुदनं त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते भद्रकाली नमस्तुते हीनस्ति दैत्यतेजांसि शनेना पुर्जव जगतं सा घण्टा पातु न देवी पापेभ्यहानसुतानि वो असुरा शीघ्रवशा पङ्कजचित्ततस्ते करलज्जय शुभाय खरगे भवतु चण्डिके त्वं नताभयम् रोगानो शेषानो पहिंसि तुष्टा रुष्टा तु कामनां सकलाभीष्टान् त्रामास्थितानं विपन्नारं त्रामास्थिता हर्षयन्त प्रयन्ति एतत्किदच्चत्कदनानं तद्यादो धर्मदिशां देवी महासुराणां रूपेण नैकबहुधार्तं मूर्ति कृताम्बिके तत्पकडितकन्या विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विवेको दीप्तदासु वाक्येषु चैकु तदन्ना मम गर्तहित हिमान्धकारे विभामयो ततो तततिव विश्वं रक्षांसि यत्र गविनाश्च नागा यत्रायरो दस्युबलानि यत्र दावानलो यत्र तथा दिमोद्धो तत्र स्थिता त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वेश्वरितं परिपासि विश्वं विश्वत्ति कथारसीत विश्वं विश्वस्य बन्दा भवति भवन्ति विश्वस्य ते भक्ति नरां देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नौरभित्ते नित्यं यथासुरवधादुनैव सत्तो पापानि सर्वजगताच्चं समन्नयासु उत्पातपाकजनितश्चं महापश्यगान् प्रणतानं प्रसीदतं देवी विश्वात्तिहारिणि त्रैलोक्यवासिनिमित्त लोकानां वरदा भव। Now I'm going to recite from Purohit Darpan, a portion of Mayer Agumon, Mayer Abahon, যেটাকে আমরা বলি, we say Abahon or Agumon, and this is a short verse, about a couple of minutes. So if you just bear with me and just listen to it, yeah? Om Agaccho Madagriha Devi Ashtavi Shakti Vihasaho Pujjangrihano Bibivata Sarva Kallano Karini Etashi Bhagavasto Shatrukhayo Jayo Prade Bhaktiyata Pujayami Tang Nabadurige Surachite Durge Devi Shamagaccho Shonindam Kalpaya Jagga Bhagano Grihano Tamavashti Shakti Vihasaho Sharodhyamanang Pujjang Karaming Kamalokhane Aggapay Mahadevi Daityadarpanishudini Sangsara Buddha Pasya Sarvashubha Vinashini Tayasho Varade Devi Namaste Shankaro Priye Jedevajascha Devascha Chalita Jalaschantade Abahami Tada Sarvano Chandike Parameshwari Pranana Rakha Jakho Rakha Putra Dharang Sada Sarvarakkhakari Jasmattang Devi Jagatapriye Pravishyatishta Jagamahasmin Javat Pujjang Karamang Mainakanana Kandare Devi Sarvasidichang Dehime Agacha Madagriha Devi Sarvakallana Hetabe Pujjang Grihano Samukhi Namaste Shankaro Priye Abahami Devi Tang Minaefsi Falepicha Kailasha Shikaradde Devi Bindra Dehi Hima Parvatang Argatta Villa Shakhayang Chandike Kuru Sandinim Stapita Chai Maya Devi Pujjang Grihang Prasidame Airoggo Maschad Dehi Devi Namastute Devi Chandatike Chandi Chandi Vigrahakarini Villa Shakhang Shamastrita Tishta Devaggan Shaho Devi Tang Jagatang Mattang Sisti Shanharakarini Pratikashu Samastashu Shanindahi Kalpayo Pallavasya Phalapattayo Shakhavishu Anaike Pallava Sangstite Devi Pujjangriho Prasidame Abatahi Abahitashi Devi Tang Minae Sifalepicha Sthirastanta Himo Bhuttagrihe Kamapado Bhavo Chandi Tang Chanda Prupashi Chanda Vigrahakarini Pravishyatishta Jagme Hoshpin Jabat Pujjang Karamang Jakha Bhagan Grihana Tashtani Bashakti Bihosavo Sarva Mangala Mangalle Shive Sarvatta Sadike Sharonne Trambake Gauri Narayani Namastute Sisti Stiti Vinashanang Shakti Bhute Sanatani
कहते हैं सतयुग ले आएंगे, सतयुग कलयुग की बात नहीं है। सतयुग में भी पाप था, द्वापर में भी पाप और धर्म दोनों थे, त्रेता में भी दोनों थे, कलयुग में भी दोनों है। अपने को पलड़ा भारी करना है सच्चाई का, दया का, ममता का, करुणा का। हाँ, ये पलड़े भारी करने अपने को। कैसे भारी करेंगे? पाहुने वो दिल नहीं, बेकार बुझदिल जान लो। राजेश ने लिखा बेकार है वो। बेकार का मतलब बिना कार का नहीं, अरे वो मनुष्य के रूप में पशु है। जो आप मेरी वाणी सुनते हैं, मैं जानता हूं आप पर ईश्वर की बहुत कृपा है, आपके माता पिता की बहुत कृपा है। उन्होंने आपको संस्कार दिए, आप सभा की प्रथम पंक्ति में विराजमान हो गए हो। सभा की प्रथम पंक्ति का अर्थ है हरि भक्तों की पंक्ति, दीन दुखियों की सेवा करने वालों की पंक्ति। इसलिए आपको एक नव जागृति पैदा करनी है। 32,001 उप शाखाएं भारत में खोली जा रही है। तुरंत फैक्स भेजिए, एसएमएस कीजिए, ईमेल कीजिए, आपको सब आज विज्ञान के युग ने दे दिया। आज तो सेवा संदीपन पत्रिका जो करीबन 40-50 पेज की होती है, वो वेबसाइट पर उपलब्ध है।